Welcome to this video. On this video, you're gonna learn how you can do affiliate marketing through Udemy. So first, let's go an overview about what is Udemy all about. So Udemy is an online learning platform and training marketplace with over 2,13,000 courses and 62 millions of students. So on this Udemy platform, you can find different type of courses available over here, such as development. So under development, you can learn web development, data science, mobile development, game development, and so on. Then you have this business option where you can learn how to do entrepreneurship, then communication, sales, operation, project management, e-commerce, and also real estate. Then you can see that there are finance and accounting section, IT and software, personal development where you can learn about leadership, career development, and also you have design where you can learn graphics design, design tool, user experience design, and so on. Then you have this marketing where you can understand all about marketing, lifestyle, photography and videography, health and fitnesses, teaching and academics. So there are tons of courses over here from which you can generate money through affiliate marketing. So for example, let's go to the lifestyle option. Let's go and search for pet and care training. So let's go and select dog training. So under which you can see there are lots of courses, right? So what we are going to do, we're gonna take one of this course and we are going to affiliate it. So to do that, for example, over here, let's select this course and we are going to put this section on our website or different platform to get a commission from Udemy. So let's go and see how to apply for affiliate marketing. So let's go to the home page and down below we will come down over here and you can see that we have this affiliate link. So let's click on this affiliate link, on which you can see that this is the page that appeared. So to become an affiliate partner and promote the product, we have to create and join this program. So before joining this, let's go and see what is going around. So Udemy offers up-to-date course, and then it have real world expertise, and even these are affordable. Then you can earn commission by sharing the relevant content and offers with your audience. So you can choose thousands of courses and you can get exclusive promotion, promote Udemy content with tracking asset and different specific links, site wide links and custom links as well. And so to join, let's go and see affiliate resources, how we can join. So once we click on how to join, you can see that there are few lists that we have to understand before applying for joining the affiliate program, because Udemy is one of best website where you can find lots of courses, right? So over here you can see that you have to have a list of followers, whether it is an email list, social media following, or fan base. You have to have engaging audience with constant traffic and followers. Your website traffics need to be at least 500 unique monthly visitor in the last 3 months. As you already know that Udemy is one of the largest course selling platform, so they need to maintain that strategy so that when they give you a portion of profit, what you're offering to them. So then you have to have constant traffic. So we look at your traffic using similarweb.com and other search engine to understand the traffic on your website. So they will use similarweb.com to understand how your website is working and how much traffic you have. Then you have to have site theme. With thousands of courses, chances are they have Udemy courses that can appeal to your audience. And to review the affiliate application, they are going to see your site. All right, then you have to have the site content. Site that have no existing content or communication channel might need to work on that part as well before applying for this affiliate program. Alignment with Udemy brand. So what does that mean is that your company or your affiliate website or any kind of system that you're using to promote these courses, you have to have similar branding concept so that Udemy offers look as similar to their websites, right? So if you don't have all of these requirements, make sure that you try to get most of them. If you doesn't have any website at the moment, no problem, you can still apply for it, but you have to have some kind of engaging customers. All right, so let's get back and do the affiliate marketing page. And over here you can see that you can sign up now. Let's click over here and you have this affiliate link. So let's click on affiliate link as well. So over here you can see that Rakuten Advertising, this is a platform on which you have to create your login. So first let's go to advertise. So over here you can see that we have been on Rakuten advertisement. This is one of the platform where you have to create your advertisement portfolio. So let's go and become a publisher. All right, so let's click on this become a publisher, and then we have to log in or create our information about the company, right? So if you click on this get started, you have to fill up all of these forms, and after you fill up all of these forms, it will connect it to your Udemy account. All right, and then you will be able to gain 10% of commission from every sale that you're creating from Udemy. All right, so sometimes you might think 10% is not enough, but to be honest, when you sell hundreds and thousands of courses, 10% is much more than you can think of. So I hope you have understood how you can apply for Udemy affiliate program. Make sure you follow all of these rules so that you can get your Udemy affiliate program for yourself. Happy earning.